Kanta ming duha, kuan, duet me, kung anak. I love you, by Celine Dion. I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink so much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that are all this time, words only you will hear. If only you were mine, I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you look in my eyes, 'cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper this word as you lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These two words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise me that we will always be together till the end of time.